My friends, welcome to exercise 84 of my 200 3D CAD problem series. In exercise 84, this is a very simple job, but I want to explore an idea where I use the sub-object shape binder to accomplish this job. So obviously, I will be doing this job in for design workbench, and I want to keep that on XY plane for now. Okay, so I want to do the outer boundary, and I'd be doing the on this one I don't care about the centering, so let's go ahead and then start working on it. That center is not that much of an important thing for now, I'm gonna say. uh, Maybe I should have centered it, but let's see if we can do it without bothering about the center. All right, so that is our outside. What I want to do is want to make the dimensions okay, 2 degrees of freedom associated with this centering. So I'm gonna go ahead and then make this horizontal one 17 and vertically this is 10. Okay, we took care of that centering thing. Now what I want to do, so that's our base sketch, and I want to pull that up by 8. So make a pad for 8 there. Now I want to do this inside pull in 2 steps. Obviously, first thing I want to select this top face and make a sub-object shape binder there. So that binder, what it does is it just took this shape and they made a shape of that. And lucky enough, we can do offsetting on this binder thing. We can come here and then say 2 goes outside, so maybe -4, and that's what we want to be, except this corner thing. So let's see if we can change that. Offset joint type, let's go say tangent. Yes, that worked. Now let's bring the pad back, and I want to make this binder, say I'm considering that as a sketch, and I want to make a hole or like a pocket from the pad with this binder thing. Okay, that pad is going, this pocket is going down, and we want to bring it down by 4, halfway, so 4. Now this river crossing kind of thing, let's see where it is. So it starts from 8.5 from this corner and 8.5, so it's 8.5 all the way around, and I want to do that on this surface, right? On the previous video I was meant to formulate that, but we forgot it, so let's go ahead and do that right now. I want to take a sketching, and on top of this face, which is 8 on the XY plane, and let's close it right now. So this is on the attachment on the Z direction. I can make it at 8, and that comes up there. So that's what we did in the previous video, but I want to make that as a formula, as a function of this pad height. So that's where the pad height length is 8 millimeter, what we did. I'm gonna go ahead and then click the formula and say pad dot, so there it is, that's the pad dot length. So that was the length, 8 millimeter. That's what we want to pull in there. Now if I go back to the pad and make this say 10 to have some fun, this sketch will still be on top of that surface. So that's what we wanted to do. And also it will avoid the topological naming issue if it comes to be at some point. All right, so let's go back to the sketching and do that sketch on. So let's see, I'm gonna say take it 8, right? I'll probably want to take this line, and this line is the reference, so that way we are not doing too much work. I want to come 8.5 this way, go there, and go 8.5 the other way, and come back and close the gap. So there is too many constraints. Let's see, 7 and 14, let's delete that. Okay, so these 4 edges will be all equal to 8.5. 8.5. There. We got that. Pretty easy. Now this will be sketch second pocket. So and let's make another pocket, and this time it will be 4 as well. So looks weird. We can fix that by selecting define true. Okay, there is this thing that I was gonna try. So make it false there. In the preference, go to part design. Okay, here it is. It says automatically check model after Boolean operation, automatically refine model after Boolean operation. So that is done in part. Now I don't have to select refine every time. Automatically refine model after sketch based operation. I don't know what this is. I know that in part workbench this works fine. In the part design it's not working. Let's say yes. Let's see. Okay, and okay, let's delete that, do this pocketing again, and I want to say 4, hit OK. There. So we didn't have to do the refining manually. It was refined by default. So that's a good thing. We don't have to select refine every time. Anyway, that's our object. I hope you liked this process. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.